Assalamu alaikum everyone. So right now I have come for again for making video, and some of people actually it's just for one guy, because one guy just told me that how did I practice, how did I start my English journey. For this reason I have come, I'm making video in this video for just for him. And actually I don't think so that if any person, if lots of person they won't watch my video, it doesn't matter. 2 or 3 person, if I will get 2 or 3 well wishers, and after that is just enough for him. So for this reason I'm making videos. So first of all I want to say that is I have done one course, but courses doesn't matter. If anyone want to learn English from beginner, I think they should take some steps for like a partner. And actually we have to grow gradually, because of our actually daily life is not good. We have to take daily life actually, and afterwards actually, we just thinking that if one day or two day, like some people those are start their journey from beginner, they maybe they are just they are learn 2 or 3 days or maximum more than 7 days, and afterwards they just see that they don't have grow up. So for this reason they are just avoid this matter. So for this reason some of people they are anxious about this matter. So I'm just say that we as a human being and as a learner, we can't see our progress day by day. Actually day by day we are growing, but if someone learn, we are day by day we are growing, but we can't see our progress. But in front of us, our surrounded people, they have understood that actually day by day we are growing. So there's no need to take this pressure. First of all you have to maintain some rules, like first of all you have to learn some as a beginner, you have to learn some vocabulary based from a verb, like verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, different 3 types of verb. And afterwards you have to practice more and more. If you won't get any partner, no problem, you have, I think in our house has mirror, right? So many mirrors, so we have to practice in front of the mirror. I think it can be good for your speaking level, for get your fluency. So and also you have to learn, and you may learn some structure like I go, আমি যাই, I don't go, আমি যাই না, do I go, আমি কি যাই, don't I go, আমি কি যাই না, why do I go, আমি কেন যাই, why don't I go, আমি কেন যাই না. So in this way you have to learn. Actually there are 6 types of method. In this way you have to practice, you may practice, and afterwards day by day you will get your fluency, inshallah. So actually is language is just for language, just language. It's not grammatical rules or something like that. Like if I will give you one thing, if I will tell you one method, that is how did we learn English, how did you learn Bangla, that means our native language. How from our childhood till now we are listening Bangla from our mothers, from neighbors, from their mouths, and afterwards day by day we learned this our Bangla language, right? So actually English is a second language in my life, and also I think also in your life also. So for this reason you have to just no need to issues actually about this matter. I'm just you have to no need to go like vividly, you have to go act like spy. So for this reason, and another one is you have to learn some structure, already I told you. And yeah, most important is listening. Without listening anyone can't grow gradually, right? And actually if you listen, some videos, and there are lots of videos on social media, YouTube as well as Facebook page. There are lots of native speakers video available, so you have to just listen their video day by, actually in a day you have to, I know I not if you want to listen 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours. It's totally depend on you, but you have to listen visually. Okay, so if you listen and afterwards is listening is just input, and when after listen, when you will when you will tell, when you will speak, it's called input, and it's called output. So and day by day you will gradually you will learn, no problem. And you know, in from beginner, our surroundings people, as a village guy, I'm not suffering this problem because I have done by one I've done one course from Dhaka, but in our native speakers, like those are want to start their village from village, so they are just feel they suffer lots of problem. Their friends or neighbors, they are just they want to interrupt him. So you have to maintain your rule. You have to maintain your rule, as well as you have to take heart at this point, because so that when they will interrupt you, you do no need to think about this matter, right? So you have to just for in your mind, you have to set up that I have to learn English anyhow, any cost. But I'm also still learning, and also that is, I'm not a good speaker, but I'm in this side, I'm trying to get a good fluency. Okay, so for this reason, and also that's all about. Actually, another video I will make another video. In another video, I will share any kinds of subject. How can you growing in your speaking journey? But right now, I have whatever I have done, whatever I have told, it is just for beginner. So you have to maintain this one. I think you you will be successful one day. Okay, so that's, I don't make it longer. Assalamu alaikum.